I've been lying to everybody. Can I be honest with everybody? Yeah. I've been lying about something.
I'm not a financial advisor.
I told everybody, I said, man, back in between January and March, back in 2020, in 3 months, or 2021, in 3 months, on the stream, live, I turned $80,000 into $1 million. That's what I told everybody. That's a lie, guys. That's a lie. I've been saying it for years. Turns out that it was 1 month and 8 days. It was January 7th to February 15th. Bada, 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 bing. That's right, guys. In 38 days, I turned $80,000 into $1 million leverage trading. And you know what? I was pinging every trade. Bing, 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 bing. I was going like 9 out of 10, 15 out of 19, 20 out of 24. Because I was just going with the direction of the market, my bullish bias comes in. I like to see those green arrows. And then when I was just taking a lot of profit off the market because I was feeling feisty, and then all of a sudden the market says, hey, all of a sudden we got a one coin, maybe a short entry. Uh-oh, 2 more coins, a short entry. Oh, man, here's 2 time frames on that coin. On it. You see the market change in real time. And so when you're feeling greedy and you don't want to take those profits, and you take those profits, then I'm finding it's actually a good time. Watch for the market change short. Boop, put in a short because it would have crushed me if I stayed in the trade. That's the thing. You got to think about it. If you stayed in the trade, you can take the profits, and you feel the maximum pain, what would that be? Boom, swinging the other way. So most of the time, it's going to do that, or else everybody's trades would run forever. Get it? Got it? Good. There you go. What is the best time frame to trade on? I tell you, the 48-minute, I think, is the best time frame. I used to say it was for the way that I trade leverage trading. I'm more of an Xfolio guy, or not an Xfolio. I'm more of the dream folio. I like to take a little and just try to turn it into a lot, But doing major coins trading. I'm not trying to do all kinds of spot trading. I'm trying to do it by leverage trading a lot of the major altcoins that I have some information on and I've watched over the years. And I've got our indicators pick them up. And so, the way that I trade in tight compact, 48-minute is the best because the 48-minute is like. It's almost like the Paul Revere of the 1 hour chart. It's almost like for that 1 hour chart, that 48-minute Paul Revere is like, one if it's bullish, 2 if it's bearish. What is he doing? Shining a light? One in a light he's shining, or did he light 2 lanterns? He's gonna light 2 lanterns. 1 lantern if they are on short, 2 if they're not, whatever. That's what the 48-minute is for the 1 hour chart, and the 4 hour chart for knowing where the market is going. The 4 hour chart is the best in my opinion. Like it will show you moves before the daily chart. You see patterns and structures. Like it's kind of the 4 hour in a sense is kind of what I think is kind of the Paul Revere of the 24 hour or the 1 day. And I know that seems drastically different, right? But the amount of data you get with a 4 hour chart is so much. You get so much data in a 4 hour chart when you zoom out that I feel like you can really tell the moves of the 1 day chart from the 4 hour chart. And that's why that's best, in my opinion, for doing spot trading. But when it comes to leverage trading, if you like to trade quick, I have 48-minute, you cannot beat it. Still bullish on Neon EVM. Keep going to get, yes, Neon EVM is on the grayscale list. It's the only coin outside of like the top 150 or something that's on the grayscale list. Maybe even the top 100. It's all major coins. And Neon EVM. It's got the connections. Neon, stick with Neon. It's gonna be one y'all are gonna ride and y'all are gonna crush in this bull run. So I've got all of the. I only have one more script to write for our Bitboy folios that you guys are gonna see here pretty soon. It's gonna be absolutely amazing, these videos, and this is gonna tie obviously into what we're gonna do with the Bitboy Bootcamp. We're gonna have some tools. I will tell you, nothing at the bootcamp is free. Nothing is free at the bootcamp. You want the information, you want the education, you want Bitboy to train you, then you got to pay the Bitboy. Okay? You got to pay the Bitboy. You can pay in crypto. We're going to figure it out. But we're going to figure out what I'm worth. That's what we're going to do. We're going to figure out what I'm worth. Because I promise you, you go 6 weeks with me, I can't guarantee anything for you, obviously. Can't guarantee. Okay? I can only guarantee death and taxes. Well, time travel, I don't know if I can guarantee death no more. But taxes, man, those sons of snitchers. That was AJ. That was AJ Writes Crypto, everybody. So anyways, that's what's going to happen. So, all right, guys, make sure to smash the like button. It's the #1 thing you can do to help out the channel.